So good morning and Jai Hind everyone.
Good morning, sir.
So as you know that today there is revision of chapter number 2, that is early humans 1. So are you ready?
Yes, sir.
And I think books are in bag.
Yes, sir.
Very good. So my first question is, and what you have to do? You have to raise your hand only. I will call you, you will come here and you will write the answer. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. So this is chapter number 2, early humans 1, and question number 1 is, stone tools of dash stone age are called microliths. Only raise your hand. I am repeating because you have to come here and you have to write a spelling of that. I am repeating. Stone tools of dash stone age are called microliths. So let me give this chance to the second last girl. Come beta. Yes. Take this chalk and write that. So what you have written?
The middle.
Middle. Okay. So what is the answer, dear students?
Yes.
That is middle. So stone tools of middle stone age are called microliths. Very good. Give me the duster. So what was your name, beta? Aradhya. Very good. Now next question. I will give you option and you have to choose among them. One of the greatest discoveries made by early humans was of, first listen the option. One of the greatest discoveries made by early humans was of painting, tool making, hunting, fire. Don't say sir, only raise your hand, and I am very happy that everyone knows the answer. So this time one boy, come. What you have given the answer?
Fire.
So what you have written there? What is the answer?
Fire.
Loudly.
Fire.
Yes. Okay, thank you. So what is the correct answer?
Fire.
Slowly. Classes are ready. So the answer is fire. Very good. Now the next question is, Bhimbetka is in. You have to write answer. Bhimbetka is in. Don't give answer to anyone. Bhimbetka is in. You have to write the name of the state. Okay? So this time I will call a girl Efra. Wait. Just see that you are coming in the screen or not. I will give chance to each and everyone, don't worry.
Madhya Pradesh.
And so your answer.
Madhya Pradesh.
Very good, Efra. So Bhimbetka is in.
Madhya Pradesh.
Very good. Bhimbetka is in Madhya Pradesh. So very good, Efra. Now next question. Okay. Next question is, in the early stages, humans were dash and nomads. In the early stages, humans were dash and nomads. I don't think you need option.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this time a boy. Acha, it doesn't mean कि girl will down their head. Yes, come. Or last. And just see that you are coming in frame or not.
Hunter gatherers.
Check the spelling once.
Spelling is right.
Only there, yes. R-E-R-S. G-A-T, beta. Okay, wait. So what he has given answer is correct, but spelling is wrong.
Yes,
So
sir.
who will come to correct?
Sir,
Give this chance to that girl. Okay, beta. Okay, no issue, no issue. Don't worry. But please learn the spellings also and see what she is going to write. But your writing is very good. No, you have also written the same. This is only about spelling. So wait. Yes, last boy. You have also written the same spelling as that boy has written. Acha wait. What you two are to have written? It is gathers. And while what is the correct word? Gatherers. So that you have to write. Yes. Very good. Understand? So what was your name? So Akars has given correct answer but wrong spelling. What was your name? Okay, you have given wrong spelling. So the correct answer is hunter gatherers, and the spelling of gatherers Gatherers. Very good, beta. What is your name? Rudraksh. So good. Now next question. So the next question is, you have to give the answer. It is a type of stone. Let me complete the answer. Okay. It is a type of stone was widely used for making tools and weapons. I am repeating one more time. It is a type of stone. It was widely used for making tools and weapons. What is that? Girl. Come. Tell me one thing. How many students are here? So at least wait. There are many. Look, first person she is raising her hand. Tell your name and Aditya Singh. Abhishek. And what you have written? Flint. Okay. So very good. Answer is Flint. Okay. So Abhishek has given correct answer. Now next. Now you have to give the answer like one statement is given in your book. Now give the answer. Statement is Bhimbetka in Madhya Pradesh is famous for. Only one boy. Bhimbetka in Madhya Pradesh is famous for only two students. Wait. Just listen the announcement once.
One is two or one table.
Come and write answer.
Individual.
Bhimbetka in Madhya Pradesh is famous for. Wait. Beta, just see that that is not coming in screen. So you have to write a little bit here. Okay, cave painting. He has written cave painting. But it is also not wrong. What I am saying, it is also not wrong. But exactly what it was written in the book. It is not wrong. Wait. Okay, so you can write rock also. Very good. So, Bhimbetka in Madhya Pradesh is okay. It's prehistoric rock paintings. It's not rock shelter. It's rock painting. It's not about rock shelter. Okay. What is your name?
Amarti Chobe.
Okay, go. Now my next question is, now you have to tell, I am talking about paintings which was found in Bhimbetka and other areas. So the color used in the paintings were, you have to write the name of the colors which were used by the painters of that time. Now give the answer. Only one boy, two, wait, come. Yes. So why you have not raised your hand earlier? Okay. Black is not there, so you just cross black. Don't create. Two are correct and two more are needed. Right here. Yes, correct. Yes, and no. Color of leaf. So very good. What is your name?
Rudraksh.
And give the answer.
Red, white and green.
Excellent. So dear students, question can be asked like this also. So what you have to do? You have to read the chapter also. Understand? Now next. Old Stone Age is also known as. You have to write the spelling. Old Stone Age is also known as. Come. Very good. So she got the chance. Please see the spelling. Okay, I think there is little bit mistake in spelling. Who will correct? Come. Wait, beta, wait. But with a distance, yes. You write here. Don't erase. You write here. So she will understand that. Very sorry to say, it is also wrong. Who will come? You want to come? Come. Beta, wait. Little bit. She at the same distance. You write here. No, not at all. There is no wrong. Okay. Anyone else? You want to try? So you have to be very careful regarding spellings also. Understand? Go and sit. I will show. You want to write spelling? Come. Let her come. Right here. So you. Yes. What is your name?
Prachi.
Loudly.
Prachi.
And what you have written? Read.
Paleolithic.
HIC. Okay. Very good. So this is the spelling of Paleolithic. PALAEO. Paleolithic. LITHIC. So you have to be very careful regarding your spellings also. Middle stone is also known as. Yes, third last. You are coming first time now? Okay. Middle stone is also known as. Don't say it to anyone.
The last one is the answer.
Beta, please read it and in front of. So tell me your name.
Arya Mishra.
Arya Mishra. And what you have written?
MEOLITHIC.
You are little bit confused and even you are not able to read. Acha, what is the answer? Don't see this. Wait.
I know the answer, but
Okay, no problem. What is the answer? Beta, it is. I am asking about middle stone age.
Yes, sir.
Yes, that boy, come. You are confused, little bit. I will show you. What is the correct answer? Right here, so that it can come in the screen. Yes. Yes. Answer is beta Mesolithic.
Yes.
Your name?
Pragyan Upadhyay.
Pragyan Upadhyay, and what you have written? Is read it. Mesolithic. So middle stone is also known as Mesolithic, not Neolithic. Okay. And now the last question. Sit. So this is last question now. And just wait. Look, you have to write the name. It is an important prehistoric site in the Deccan. It is an important prehistoric site in the Deccan. A large number of stone tools have been discovered here. You have to write the name. Who is coming? Come. Write it fast because just wait, Beta. See this? I'm going to say. What you have written spelling? Hunski. Hunski. What is your name? So very good. Correct answer is Hunski. Wait.